how to turn on or turn off screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and you will see scroll down to and screensaver is here. Click on screensaver. If you want to turn off screensaver, so click on none. After click on none, you will see screensaver is turned off. If you want to turn on screensaver, so click on any feature. So if you want to turn off, click on none, and if you want to turn on, click on any feature. You will turn on or turn off screensaver from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.